Imagine waking up one day to find your YouTube channel skyrocketing in popularity, with your videos spreading like wildfire across the internet. Welcome to a world where your content can reach millions, and where your creative vision can be realized by understanding the latest trends in YouTube SEO. Hashtags and tags are the secret sauce that can catapult your content into the viral stratosphere. Think of them as the magic words that help YouTube's algorithm understand and promote your videos to the right audience. But how do you discover and use the best hashtags and tags for 2024? Let's dive deep into this fascinating topic and uncover the secrets. To start, it's crucial to understand that hashtags and tags serve different purposes. Hashtags are used within your video description and comments, making your content discoverable in broader search categories. Tags, on the other hand, are part of your video metadata and help YouTube's algorithm identify the context of your content. Imagine harnessing the power of these tactics to turn your channel into a must-watch destination for your audience. One of the first things to consider is collaboration. Teaming up with other YouTubers, especially those in your niche, can expose your content to a broader audience. Collaborations can range from guest appearances to joint projects, creating a win-win scenario where both parties benefit from each other's viewer base. Next, think about storytelling. People love a good story, so weaving a compelling narrative into your videos can captivate your audience and keep them coming back for more. Whether you're sharing personal experiences, telling fictional tales, or documenting journeys, engaging storytelling can set your content apart. Interactivity is another powerful tool. Encouraging viewers to participate in challenges, answer questions, or provide feedback makes them feel involved and invested in your content. You can create polls, Q&A sessions, or even interactive series where viewers influence the direction of your videos. Utilizing live streams can also create a strong connection with your audience. Live streaming allows for real-time interaction, giving viewers a chance to engage with you directly. Whether it's for gaming, tutorials, or casual chats, live streams offer a unique and personal touch. Another strategy is to tap into trends and timely content. By aligning your videos with current events, popular trends, or seasonal topics, you can ride the wave of what people are already interested in. This makes your content more relevant and likely to be discovered. Optimizing your video thumbnails is crucial as well. A thumbnail is often the first thing potential viewers see, so it needs to be eye-catching and representative of your content. Use bright colors, clear images, and text that stands out to grab attention and entice clicks. Engaging with your community is essential. Responding to comments, acknowledging loyal fans, and creating a sense of belonging can foster a dedicated viewer base. This interaction can turn casual viewers into subscribers who eagerly await your next upload. Creating playlists can also enhance your channel's visibility. Grouping related videos into playlists not only keeps viewers on your channel longer but also improves your chances of appearing in recommended sections. Experimenting with different video lengths can yield surprising results. While shorter videos can capture attention quickly, longer videos can provide in-depth content that viewers appreciate. Mixing it up keeps your content fresh and caters to different viewer preferences. Hosting giveaways and contests is a fun way to boost engagement. Offering incentives like prizes or shoutouts encourages viewers to participate and share your content, increasing its reach. SEO optimization is a game changer. Using keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags can help your videos rank higher in search results. Researching what keywords are trending in your niche can give you an edge. Cross-promoting your videos on other social media platforms can drive traffic to your channel. Sharing snippets or teasers on Instagram, Twitter, or TikTok can intrigue your followers and lead them to your full videos. Creating high-quality content consistently is a must. Viewers are more likely to subscribe to channels that regularly produce valuable and entertaining content. Developing a content calendar can help you stay on track and maintain a steady flow of videos. Analyzing your analytics provides insights into what works and what doesn't. By understanding viewer behavior, you can tailor your content to better meet their preferences, improving retention and engagement. Personalizing your content can make a big difference. Addressing your viewers directly, using their names, or creating videos based on their suggestions can make them feel valued and connected to you. Participating in YouTube trends like reaction videos, unboxings, or tutorials can also give your channel a boost. These types of videos often attract a lot of attention and can introduce your channel to new viewers. Ensuring high production value is important. Good lighting, clear audio, and sharp video quality make your content more professional and enjoyable to watch. Investing in the right equipment can elevate your videos significantly. Creating a unique and recognizable brand identity helps in building a loyal audience. Consistent themes, color schemes, and catchphrases make your channel memorable and distinctive. Engaging in niche communities can also be beneficial. Joining forums, groups, or online communities related to your content allows you to share your videos with people who are already interested in your niche. Trending hashtags. In 2024, the landscape of trending hashtags is constantly evolving. However, some evergreen categories continue to dominate. Hashtags related to challenges, current events, and popular culture are always in demand. For instance, anything related to major sports events, global movements, or viral internet trends can instantly give your video a boost. Niche-specific hashtags. Your content might cater to a specific niche. For example, if you're into gaming, using hashtags like #gaming, #let's-play, or #game-review can connect you with a passionate audience. Similarly, beauty channels can use #makeup tutorial, #skincare routine, or #beauty hacks to attract viewers looking for tips and tutorials. Combining broad and specific hashtags. One effective strategy is to combine broad hashtags with specific ones. This helps in reaching a wider audience while also targeting niche viewers. For example, if you're creating a cooking video, you could use #food, #cooking, and #recipe alongside more specific hashtags like #vegan recipes, #Italian cuisine, or #quick meals. The power of branded hashtags. Creating your own branded hashtag is another powerful tactic. This not only helps in building a community around your content but also makes it easier for fans to find and share your videos. For instance, if your channel name is Healthy Eats, a hashtag like #Healthy Eats recipes can be a great way to brand your content. Seasonal and event-based hashtags. Leveraging seasonal and event-based hashtags can also drive significant traffic to your channel. During holiday seasons, hashtags like #Christmas recipes, #Halloween makeup, or #summer travel can attract viewers searching for related content. Similarly, capitalizing on major events like the Oscars, the Super Bowl, or the Olympics with relevant hashtags can put your videos in front of a massive audience. Researching hashtags. Staying ahead in the hashtag game requires continuous research. Tools like Google Trends, Twitter, and even YouTube's own search bar can provide insights into what's trending. By keeping an eye on these platforms, you can quickly adapt to new trends and incorporate relevant hashtags into your videos. Effective tag strategies. Moving on to tags. These are critical in ensuring your video appears in search results and recommended videos. Unlike hashtags, tags are not visible to the public, but they play a significant role in how YouTube's algorithm categorizes your content. Primary and secondary tags. Start with primary tags that directly describe your video. If your video is a tutorial on how to play the guitar, tags like guitar tutorial, learn guitar, and guitar lessons should be your primary focus. Secondary tags can be broader but still relevant, such as music lessons, beginner guitar, or acoustic guitar. Long tail tags, which are longer and more specific keyword phrases, can also be very effective. They often have less competition, which means your video has a better chance of ranking higher for those specific searches. For instance, how to play guitar for beginners, or easy guitar songs for beginners, are examples of long tail tags that can attract targeted viewers. Competitor analysis. Analyzing the tags used by popular videos in your niche can provide valuable insights. Tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ allow you to see the tags that successful videos are using, giving you ideas on what might work for your content. Frequent updates. Regularly updating your tags to reflect current trends and the evolving nature of your content can keep your videos relevant. What worked 6 months ago might not be as effective today, so it's important to revisit and revise your tags periodically. Don't forget to include relevant hashtags and tags in your video descriptions. This practice not only helps with SEO but also encourages viewers to explore related content on your channel. For example, a description for a travel vlog might include hashtags like #travelvlog, #adventure, and #traveltips, along with relevant tags embedded in the metadata. Community engagement. Building a community around your content is another key to going viral. Encourage viewers to use your branded hashtags and share their experiences. Engage with comments, ask for feedback, and create content that resonates with your audience's interests and needs. Consistency and patience. Lastly, consistency and patience are vital. Virality doesn't usually happen overnight. By consistently using effective hashtags and tags, creating high-quality content, and engaging with your community, you increase your chances of success over time. Mastering the art of hashtags and tags on YouTube in 2024 can significantly boost your chances of going viral. By understanding the different types of hashtags and tags, staying updated with trends, and engaging with your audience, you can create a powerful strategy that propels your content to new heights. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time, effort, and dedication. Keep experimenting, learning, and improving, and your hard work will eventually pay off. By combining these strategies with effective use of hashtags and tags, you'll be well on your way to making your mark on YouTube in 2024. Keep creating, keep engaging, and watch your channel grow. So, start implementing these tips today, and watch your YouTube channel flourish in ways you never imagined.